Woo! That first double hump thing like this,
Yeah.
I cleared the whole thing.
What?
Yeah!
Wow.
That was pretty cool. You want to go ahead so I can video you?
Sure.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just,
This whole thing's like this for quite a ways. Whoa! Too close to that tree. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, nice save. Yeah, that's a huge rock.
yeah.
What's it doing there? There's a few more like this. On flow motion, so you ready?
My left knee just has no strength to stand up anymore.
Get your chains off. Hey, Josh.
Hey. Well, that's getting some good air on that stuff.
Yeah, that was awesome.
A lot of those jumps were really like
Spook.
false. Like
Not
they
really,
look okay, and then
not really a jump.
yeah.
I was getting so fast on some of them. I couldn't keep my eyes open. It was a wind.
Yeah, you were flying.
Wow.
All right.
Yeah. Wrong here.
Oh, ooh, ooh, nice view.
Wow. Takes a lot of arm strength to just keep going up and over her and breaking.
Yeah, I know. My
There.
wrists are starting to hurt.
I'm trying to hang on, but I have to break too.
Yeah.
Like how many fingers to use?
Yeah, two. Thanks, Josh. Sweet. That's pretty wild, huh?
Yeah. My hands are hurting a lot.
Why don't you go in front and I'll get you going over some
Oh,
jumps.
okay. Go for slow. Not even getting there.
Yeah.
Jordan! Woohoo!